If you're using HubSpot Sales Hub, chances are you're only scratching the surface. But today we're going to dive into the top 5 powerful features that most teams completely overlook, but could be game changers for your sales process. Let's get into it. HubSpot Sales Hub is packed with features, but in my experience working with hundreds of businesses, most teams stick to the basics. Think about logging emails, tracking deals, maybe setting up a few sequences. And that's fine, but you're leaving serious productivity and revenue on the table. In this video, I'm sharing 5 Sales Hub's features that you're probably not using, but absolutely should be. We're going to be covering one-click contact creation, AI-powered meeting prep, custom deal views, conversation intelligence, and AI-powered quoting. Let's dive in. So first up, the HubSpot Chrome extension's one-click contact creation feature. This rolled out in January 2026, and it's a total time saver. Here's the problem that it solves. Your reps, they're constantly switching between tabs, LinkedIn, company websites, your CRM, manually copying and pasting contact details. It's tedious, and it's error-prone, and it kills momentum. With this feature, you can create and associate contacts directly from a company's website using the Chrome extension. No more tab switching fatigue. Here's how it works. First up, you've got to install the Chrome extension. Then you navigate to a company website, click the HubSpot icon, click Create Contact, and it's instantly added to your CRM. It's that simple. Your reps can build pipeline in real time without breaking their flow. Next up is AI-powered meeting prep. This is part of HubSpot's new sales meetings tool, and it's designed to help you sell more and prep less. So here's the reality. Your reps are probably spending hours before every call digging through old emails, notes, and deal history trying to get context. And if they don't prep properly, they walk into meetings cold. And it shows. HubSpot's AI meeting prep can solve this by automatically surfacing the insights you need before every call. It pulls context from previous interactions, company research, deal history, and even recent conversations. Here's what it does. So before your meeting, HubSpot generates a prep summary with key talking points, recent activity, and potential objections. During the meeting, it captures key insights and action items automatically. And after the meeting, it creates personalized summaries and suggests next steps. To use it, all you need to do is navigate to your deal record, click on the meeting, and HubSpot displays an AI-generated prep summary. Review the insights and walk into your call fully prepared. This feature doesn't just save time, it makes your reps better. Okay. Feature number 3, custom deal views. This is one of the most underrated productivity hacks in Sales Hub, and it's available on all plans. Here's the problem. Your default deal view shows everything, every deal, every stage, every rep. And if you're managing a large pipeline, it can get overwhelming. Custom views let you create filtered, saved views of your deals based on any criteria you want. So for example, you could create views for deals closing this week, high value deals over 50K, deals stuck for 14 or more days, or even deals with no activity. Here's how you can create one. So go over to the deals, click Add View, name it, add filters, and save. Now, every time that you open that view, you see exactly the deals that matter to you at that moment. No scrolling, no searching, just focus. Pro tip, create a view for at-risk deals. So that could be deals with no activity in the last 7 days. And feature number 4 is conversation intelligence. This is part of the sales meeting tool, and it's incredibly powerful for coaching and deal management. Here's what it does. HubSpot's AI analyzes your sales call transcripts and surfaces warning signs that a deal might be at risk. It looks for things like lack of engagement, unaddressed objections, competitor mentions, pricing concerns, and delays. And it flags them for you automatically. Why does this matter though? Because most deals don't die in a dramatic way, they die quietly. A prospect goes cold, follow-ups get ignored, and by the time you realize something's wrong, it's too late. Conversation intelligence helps you spot those warning signs early, so you can intervene and save the deal. Here's how you can use it. Make sure your calls are being recorded in HubSpot. After the call, navigate to the deal record. HubSpot displays an AI summary with insights and red flags. Review and take action. This feature is especially valuable for sales managers. You can review call summaries across your team and identify coaching opportunities. And finally, finally, feature 5, HubSpot's AI-powered CPQ in Commerce Hub. This is brand new as of late 2025, and it is a total game changer. Here's the problem. 86% of B2B deals stall, and a huge reason is that getting a quote takes too long. Your reps are stuck in spreadsheets, calculating pricing, chasing approvals, manually creating quote documents. Meanwhile, your prospect is losing interest. HubSpot CPQ solves this by automating the entire quoting process. It uses AI to draft professional, branded quotes automatically based on your sales conversations and CRM data. Here's what it includes. So you've got AI-powered quote creation, flexible approval workflows, and buyer insights with an AI assistant. To use it, you've got to navigate to your deal record, click Create Quote, HubSpot's AI generates it, and then you review and send. The buyer can then interact with the quote and even get instant answers from the AI closing agent. This can dramatically shorten your quote to revenue cycle. And that's it. 5 HubSpot Sales Hub features you're probably not using, but absolutely should be. Let's recap. One-click contact creation, AI-powered meeting prep, custom deal views, conversation intelligence, and AI-powered CPQ. These features are already in your Sales Hub, so if you're already paying for it, you need to start using them. So here's my challenge for you. Pick one feature from this video and implement it this week. Just one. Now I'd love to hear from you as well. Which of these features are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. We're posting high-value HubSpot tutorials every week. See you next time.